In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur Loom video background effects. If you ever hop on camera and wish your busy room, shared workspace, or plain wall looked a little more polished, background blur is a simple way to keep attention on you and reduce distractions. It's quick to set up, and you can turn it on before you record so your video looks clean from the very first frame. Start by opening the Loom recorder. You can do this by clicking Record a Video inside Loom, or by selecting the Loom extension from your browser's toolbar. Either option opens the same recording window. You'll see your camera preview along with basic controls for screen and camera. Take a moment to check your framing in the preview so your face is centered and well lit. You don't need a fancy setup, just avoid strong backlight and try to face a soft light source so the blur effect can separate you clearly from the background. Now look for the effects option in the recorder. It usually appears near the camera preview or along the control bar. Click Effects, then choose Blur. The moment you select blur, Loom applies a subtle defocus behind you while keeping you in sharp focus. You'll see the change instantly in the preview, so you can confirm it looks the way you want before you begin recording. This effect is designed to dial down visual noise without hiding you, which makes it perfect for tutorials, updates, or quick async messages. If the blur looks a little soft around the edges, try sitting a bit farther from the background and facing your light. This gives Loom clearer separation, so your outline looks natural and crisp. Speak and move as you normally would. The blur will follow you as you gesture or turn your head. Keep in mind that